In this video, I'd like to show you a Google extension called Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video Recorder. Now you need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store, either by doing a search or going to your Apps button over here in the corner. If you're signed in using your district credentials, you will find a button called for.aisd.net, and you'll find a select number of extensions, one of them of course being the Nimbus extension. Once you click on that, you'll come to this screen. The blue button of course will allow you to install it right into Google. It'll just take a few seconds. Once you have it installed, Nimbus brings you to this page with a couple of tutorial videos, which I think would be very helpful. Up in the top right, I have a Nimbus button, and when I select, you can see I have several options to capture the whole screen, part of the screen, etc. One thing I can do also is to record video as I work on the computer screen here. I'm going to select an area. I'm going to draw my area here. It's going to take a little snapshot. I can cancel it, I can save it as is, or I can edit it. Now let's say I want to do some annotations. Now I have lots of options up here. I'm just going to mention a few, such as the square tool here. Let's say I wanted to draw attention to a certain part of my photo. Let's say I want to add a little bit more emphasis by using arrows. Let's say there's something on here I don't need everyone to see, right? I want to blur it out. So I could just draw a blur area around it. Even better, what if I use the second option? I blur the whole thing and I unveil the part that I want everyone to see. When you're finished annotating, you can come right up to the blue Done button. You have a few choices. You could save the image directly to your computer. You could save it to your Google Drive. You could even right-click, copy image, paste it wherever you'd like it.